Hello, my name is Mark. It's Tuesday, June 30th, 2020. Just doing an update on my hydroponic garden. Again, totally out of control. Everything's doing awesome. Look at this lettuce. It's got like two heads on that one. Butter crunch is doing good. Romaine. I can't eat this stuff fast enough, and I am trying. I really am. Tomatoes in my raised bed are pretty much just taking over. They're like vining everywhere, and I kind of knew this was going to happen. They're crowding out my pepper plants. I don't know, I might have to move them, but I do have peppers growing right here. I got a bunch of peppers growing right here. Tomato plants all came from seed. All this lettuce came from seed. My dirt garden real quick. Nothing real exciting happening here. Again, these tomato plants in the ground are just don't even compare to what's going on over in the hydroponic system. But what will be interesting to see is the flavor. You know, I'm going to do a taste test for the tomatoes, the earth versus the hydroponic system, and see how that compares. Squash is a little slow. Cucumbers finally turned the corner. They're doing good. And I'll show you my Dutch bucket tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are doing great, healthy. I got flowers everywhere. This is gonna be just, again, too many to even handle. These freaking monsters. I measured the tallest one. It's over 4 feet tall, and it's not even July yet. So I started these at seed, I want to say in March, I think. So I started with seed under fluorescent lights in my basement, and these things are just monstrous. So I honestly did not expect to have this much success, but I have not actually eaten any fruit yet. So who knows, bugs or birds, or I got other unknown challenges ahead of me. But I'm just absolutely thrilled with how I've done so far, and I love it. It's just a great hobby. COVID-19 came through. I found myself with a lot of free time, and I just kind of stumbled into this, and I love it. It's awesome. It's very peaceful and calming, and I don't know. That's about it. Have a great day. Happy 4th of July. Bye.